Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss size of operator in C programming. So let's get started. Guys, the size of operator is a compile time unary operator, and the size of operator returns the size of variable or data type in bytes. The size of operator returns the size in integer. Guys, the size of operator looks like a function, but it is considered as an operator in C programming. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of size of operator. Guys, this is the syntax of size of operator. We will pass data type or any variable name to this size of operator, and it will return the size of data type and variable name in bytes. Guys, now let's take an example of size of operator. Guys, in this program, we are calculating the size of integers, floats, characters, long ints and doubles with the help of size of operator. So in the first expression or statement, we are passing integer to size of operator, and it will return the size of integer in bytes. So this statement will print the size of integer, and that will be 2. And this statement will print the size of float, and this statement will print the size of character, and this statement will print the size of long int, and this statement will print the size of double. Now guys, we can also calculate the size of variables by using this size of operator. So we have declared these variables: a as an integer, b as a float, c as a character, and d as a double. Now we are passing these variables to size of operator, and this size of operator will return the size of each variable in bytes. Now guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler, where I will show you the working of this size of operator. Guys, in this program, we will learn about size of operator, and we are going to find out the size of data types. So in the first statement, we are going to find out the size of integer because we have passed integer data type to the size of operator. So it will give the size of integer, and that will be 2. And in the next statement, it will give you the size of float data type, that will be 4. And in the next statement, it will give you the size of character, that will be 1. And in the next statement, it will give you the size of long integer, that will be 4. And now in the last statement, it will give you the size of double, and that will be 8. Now guys, if I run this program, and it is printing the size of integer, that is 2, and the size of float is 4, and the size of character is 1, and the size of long integer is 4, and the size of double is 8. Now guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys, in this program, we will find out the size of these variables, and we have declared these variables as integer a, float b, character c, long int d, and double e. Now we are going to pass these variables in the size of operator. So this statement will give you the size of a, and a is declared as an integer, so the size of a will be 2. And in the next statement, it will give you the size of b, and b is declared as float, so the size of b will be 4. And now in the next statement, it will give you the size of c, and c is declared as character, so the size of c will be 1. And now in the next statement, it will give you the size of d, and that is declared as long int, so the size of d will be 4. And in the next statement, it will give you the size of e, and e is declared as double, so the size of e will be 8. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing the size of a, and that is 2, and size of b is 4, and the size of c is 1, and the size of d is 4, and the size of e is 8. I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.